welcome back. I'm Joy, Everything Diamond Painting. These are my fur babies, Jasmine, who's 7 months old, and Jackson, who doesn't want to look at the camera. But say hi. Say hi. Anyway, in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing, so stay tuned and we'll be right back. Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Everything Diamond Painting. This is Joy. Today I decided to do an unboxing since I really haven't done an unboxing on my channel yet. And I'm also, remind you that I'm a representative for Diamond Dotz at home. So I decided I was going to do an unboxing with a Diamond Dotz at home painting. This one is called Carnaby, and it's intermediate, so it says down here. I know the focus isn't all that great, trust me. It's an intermediate painting. It's this beautiful purse. So I'm going to take this out. So yeah, I joined up with Diamond Dotz at home. Different sort of look. Make sure there's the drills in here, and we'll look at those in a little bit. Okay, now we're going to get into the painting here. I guess I didn't need my trusty little knife from Tina. Okay, so it says, the plastic says, add some sparkle to your world. And I've done these before from Diamond Dotz, and they are really, really sparkly. So here we go. We're going to unroll this. Oh, I guess I should do it. Alrighty, so this is the picture. Let me see if I can roll this backwards a little bit and get some of the wrinkles out. That always helps. That's what we do. Get it tight in the little here. Alright, kind of doing it a little crooked and get it bent this way. Alright, we'll squish it a little bit here. Alright, now I'll roll it out again. Alright, that makes it a little better. There we go. Now you can see it. Isn't that pretty? So I've got a purse and butterfly on the purse. Oh, and look, all these places right here are where the drills go. Oh, a lot of color blocking in here too. Good for multi-placer, which I like to do. And this looks like a little makeup bag right here with a compact and a tube of lipstick. And we've got the little, like a fan hanging off the butterfly of the purse. Okay, here we have the legend. It says there's 23 colors. And they're DMC codes are a little different than ours, but I know they're out there. There's a conversion chart that you could tell. So I know there's ABs in here. These are down at the bottom. We've got some crystals and then red, yellow, and white ones. So I'll show you those drills in a minute. And then there's also another drill legend over here. So you've got one there and one on the other side. That's very helpful. So no matter which way you're doing the painting, you can see where the legends are. So this part up here is a drill field, these little designs here. So that's going to be really pretty. And same thing over here. We've got design fields. So it's going to be a beautiful, beautiful painting. So let's go through the drills a little bit here. Okay, I'm going to move the painting over to the side, and we're going to look at some of the drills. And we always have the noise going on here. Let me just move this out of the way. Okay, move that out of the way. Now we can look at the drills. So we're going to do them this way. We've got A11 through A19. So we've got kind of the muted colors here. Oh, and this is a really pretty burgundy, A12. I like that color. And this one A13, a little bit lighter than this one. And then we've got like a mauve color, A14. And A15 is a really pretty pink, light pink. And then we've got a little lighter mauve over here. And like a coral color. And this is a brownish color here. And a lighter brown like a taupe. So these are going to be really pretty drills in there. Okay, let's go here. And we got some more. So we got some black ones. Their color number is 8001. And we've got some taupe and some red, lighter red. Here's more of the burgundy type color. We've got different shades of pink and a bright orange and a red, the orangey red color. So yeah, I think it's going to be a beautiful painting. Now we come to the ABs. We got 2 packages of white ABs. Look at that. Beautiful. And then we've got a orange. Look how shiny those are. Can you see? Can you see the shine on these? I'll just show them this way. See the shine? Look at the shine on those. And I'll bring the painting back to show you where those are going to go. And here's the orange ones. And look, it's got crystals. Isn't that pretty? Oop, there's a little straggler in there. I see, a little blue one. I don't even think we have blue in this color, in this painting. But the crystals, that's going to really shine it up. So this is going to be a really beautiful painting. Okay, now we got the drills all put away. Here's the little goodie bag that comes with the painting. And what have we got in here? Okay, oh, really pretty silver, shiny pen. Ooh, I like shiny. And a hand grip here, so you can use it and it doesn't slip on your fingers. And then on the end is their famous trademark, the little diamond dot there on the end. Wish that you could take those out and put a multi-placer in there, but so these are good for single placing, but really pretty. They really go out of their way to get a shiny pen in there. And of course you got your red wax, and it's in a little container. Diamond Dotz at home, and it's let me see how good this one is. So I heard this one should be pretty good. You could see through it. They say if you could see through it, it's not that great. This one, yeah, you could see through it just a little bit. So it's going to be okay. And when you use these, don't forget they have little plastic coverings on both sides. So don't try to stick your drill pin in there, because it ain't going to work unless you take the top cover off. So most of the time I just leave them in the case when I'm filling my pins. Okay. A gray little common drill tray. And the good part is they leave you with some plastic bags. I don't know how many of you people out there store your drills in plastic baggies when you're done, but it's always nice to have them, and they can be used for anything and everything in your household. So that's always a good thing. Let me bend down here and bring the painting back up. So we've got yellow ABs in here in the butterfly. We've got yellow ABs here on the little makeup purse. I know there's some red ones here, red ABs. And the crystals, I know the crystals are going to go into these fields here, like every other one. Can you see that? And they're going to go into here and this side. Okay. So there you go. This is Carnaby, Diamond Dotz at home. A lovely, beautiful, it's going to be beautiful when it's done. And I hope you're around to watch it. I'll post it on my Facebook, and it'll be posted on YouTube. So I'll let you know when I'm working on this. Thank you for joining me today. I do have the Diamond Dotz website that I'm on in the description box of the YouTube, and also my Facebook page, because I post these on Facebook too. My Facebook group is Diamond Painting with Joy. The Diamond Dotz at Home is everythingdiamondpainting.diamonddotzathome.com. And there you go. So I'm going to close it out here, and I'm going to tell everyone, just make sure you're safe. Just make sure you're safe and you keep your hands clean. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up, the like button on YouTube, and also don't forget to subscribe. And when you subscribe, click on the bell, and that will notify you of the upcoming videos that I post. Okay, so I'm going to say goodbye now, and we'll see you later.